Hi everyone, do you want to increase your Facebook engagement automatically? In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use an auto comment post Facebook tool. With this tool, you can save time, boost interaction, and make your post more active without doing it manually. Normally, replying and commenting on Facebook posts takes a lot of time. Imagine having hundreds of posts or comments from customers. It's easy to miss important messages. That's why using an auto comment Facebook tool is a smart solution. It helps you stay active, engage your audience, and manage your posts more effectively. Let's see how it works step by step. First, log into the software. Next, choose the Facebook post where you want to add auto comments. Now, create multiple comment templates. For example, thanks for your support, great choice, we appreciate your feedback. The tool will rotate them to look natural. After that, set the schedule. You can decide how many comments per hour or per day. Finally, click start and the tool will automatically begin commenting on your Facebook post. This tool gives you many benefits. You save hours of manual work. Your Facebook page looks more active. It boosts engagement and makes posts rank higher in the algorithm. You can manage multiple posts and accounts at the same time. But here are some important tips. Don't post too many comments in a short time. Always use different comment templates to avoid looking like spam. Combine auto comments with likes, shares, and messages to get the best results. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tutorials about automation and marketing. You can find the download link and details about this auto comment post Facebook tool in the description below. Thanks for watching.